Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick update here on my weekly watch list that on the video that I put out on Sunday. I'm looking at AMC here first. I mentioned in the video that we broke out of this falling channel on the daily. We broke bullish, and I was looking for a back test of the top of this channel. So I'm looking for a top back test, which that's exactly what's happening right now. And I'm looking for this to hold. We don't want to break under and for the daily candle to close under this. But as long as we back test it, I'm looking for a reversal from here. And if we reverse from here, I'm looking at price targets of 55.66, 59.12. And this is the actual target that I'm looking at, 63.53. If we really break bullish with a lot of volume, then this being part of the meme stocks, we can hit this 76.25 price target. But we really want to curl up, and we want to break the nearest high of 52.79. Once we break that, then we should hit the next price targets that I mentioned. Another setup that I was actually looking at recently was SPCE. SPCE, I see two gaps on the daily that eventually, I guess, will be filled. Hopefully, they'll get filled shortly, because I have this falling channel on the daily, and I'm looking at this move, maybe a break up, a rejection of the top of this channel, and break down and fill these gaps. If not both, maybe fill one, which will bring us at the median line of this channel, and a breakout. If we break further, then fill the second gap and break out. So I'm looking for a breakout from this channel, and price targets for now, at least we'll see this 35.62 pivot. Once we break out of that, then I will update this video again from there. But for now, I just wanted to see if it comes back up, test this top of the channel, and breaks back down, and then I'm gonna update this video, as this is one of the tickers that I'm looking at for a breakout. Next, I'll be moving to Bitcoin. As I previously mentioned, I was looking at this hourly channel. I was looking at this type of an EQ on the 30-minute that we're having here. We're playing within this channel here, and finally here we broke out. We broke out bullish, but basically my position, when we came back down, I'm gonna go on the daily, and on my previous videos, I said that I was looking for a retest of this fib retracement. This is the GP. It's a golden pocket, which is between 43,200 and 43,959. On the first dump, we tested it, bulls bought it, but I wanted to test again, and I wanted to start an entry here, and waited patiently, and we broke that EQ with a big wick, but we retracted back up, so we stayed within the channel. I made my entry. I set a buy limit, so I pretty much got exactly where I wanted to get. One thing, I was looking for this backtest in this GP, because basically they wanted to take out the people that previously bought here. So to me, it's either more accumulation here, but at the same time taking out some people that already started positions, or started positions here, taking people out, and a reversal. So now basically on this reversal, we broke out, but on top of this, at the top of this channel, I took out half of my position, and I'm holding the rest. So now what I'm looking at is, are we going to I have this rising channel on daily, which primarily we broke bearish from. Are we going to retest this, or are we going to get some sort of a bear flag and curl back down? This is what I'm looking at, but I'm going to update this video as we go. I want to see what happens in the next couple of days. Also looking at the weekly, I have this bigger channel on the weekly, which we rejected here in the 52,000s with a wick. I really want to see what happens here. Are we going to curl down and test this median line in the 35,000s? Or are we going to go back up and retest this top of this channel here and reject? I'm going to update this video as I want to see more price action. I want to see what happens in the next couple of days. Quickly jumping onto Ethereum. Ethereum on the 4-hour falling channel, we broke out of a bullish. I want to see if this is going to hold. We have our 200 EMA here too. I wanted to see if this hold maybe goes up, a back test, and we break out of this in this manner. This is what I want to see. But for now, I just, once again, I want to see price action. I want to see what type of movement up. Are we gonna really break out here from this the breakout of this falling channel? I'd rather look at it on the 4-hour time frame. Or are we gonna kind of get into an EQ here and go sideways? I'm gonna update this chart probably end of the week. I want to see what happens in the next couple of days. But for whomever, just same move as Bitcoin, whoever bought the bottom of this channel here, if you watch my previous videos, then right now, basically all you're doing, you're moving your stop up, and depends on what your game plan is. I want to move on to GME here. I should have done this after AMC, I apologize. But on my previous video, we had the earnings, basically we felt bearish, and on my previous video, let me just erase this, and I was looking at this falling channel on the hourly. We broke bullish. One thing I'm looking at here, is this a head and shoulder? Are we going to create a right shoulder? The right shoulder, it's a little high, you know, close to the head, but let's see what happens if we create a right shoulder here and fall back down. This is one thing I'm looking at here. Another thing I was talking about on the daily was that I have this bigger channel, which really isn't a channel, but basically we have this trend line here. We have this uptrend. I just drew it out just to see if, because we tested the highs here, and we have some sort of action on the median line. So the thing is that, forget about this, the top of the channel, forget about this median line. I talked in my last video, I wanted GME to come back down and test this trend line, test it and push up. Right now, we lost the 80 EMA here. I really want to see if it comes back down and test this trend line. If it tests this trend line, a position could be started here, and see if we break out. Right now, really want to see what happens in the next couple of days. But I do really want it to come back down and see what happens here. If anything, if if I would want to start a position, a new position, I would say 200, over 200 psychological. Amazon. Amazon, from my previous video, we saw a 5 move up here on the weekly time frame looking at. And this could be first wave up, and we have an ABC correction. I have a head and shoulder here. If it comes back down and breaks out of this ascending channel that I have here, I want it to come down and test this golden pocket on this fib retracement around 2689 and 2780, which I believe that would bring down the C correction here. If that happens, we might have a 1-2 and go for a third wave up. That's what I'm looking at. But for now, I'm just watching this head and shoulder on the weekly. Let me see. Spy. On my previous video, I was looking at this channel. We broke under it, and I said, I missed it. I mean, good thing I missed it, but I was looking to open a position if we held this median line of this channel with stop loss under the previous day's lows, a little bit under. I don't put my stop right where the lows are. You can get a nice wick and get stopped out easily. So I missed this position because I was in a different position, but we broke this median line and we're breaking bearish here. I really want to see if it comes back down and test the bottom of this channel. I would say in the 437s, 438 area. Once again, I'm charting the ETF here. I apologize for those people that are asking me why you're charting the ETF. But anyway, I want to start a position here. So I'm gonna just keep on watching this in the next couple of days and see what happens. I had this kind of a triangle, you know, some sort of a triangle here on the RSI, and we're breaking bearish out of it. So this is telling. I want to see if we're going to come down lower, and for us to come down to this channel area. I'm going to update this, and once I'm in a position here, I'm gonna tell you guys. Once I start a position here, let me just erase this as well. And once we come down here, I'm going to tell you about the price targets. If we do curl back up from here, sorry for so much movement. My mouse is just scrolling through the screen. If we make a curl up right now, I want to see if we get on top of the ADMA and the median line here. And I'll tell you guys if I start a position here. I think that's about it. So I'm going to keep updating you guys probably end of the week or the weekend. And thank you for watching once again. And please subscribe.